Telecommunications history was made in 1973 when Martin Cooper, a researcher at Motorola, made the first call on a mobile phone. His phone was a bit unwieldy by today's standards. It weighed 2 pounds and was more than 10 inches long. Dr. Martin Luther King delivered his final speech on this day in 1968, telling his audience, "I've been to the mountaintop." He was assassinated the following day. He said he wasn't concerned about having a long life, he just wanted to do God's will.
He's allowed me to go up to the mountain. And I've looked over, and I've seen the promised land. I may not get there with you, but I want you to know tonight that we as a people will get to the promised land.
In 1043, Edward the Confessor was crowned King of England at Winchester Cathedral. He was the country's penultimate Anglo-Saxon monarch. And that completes our news briefing this morning.